Some know what this truck is, or I should say Samurai, and they know what this is. Get the hint? Yep, Papa Chow's coming apart. Wheels and tires are on it. Engine's out. Transmission's out. Fuel cell's out. All to put this guy together. Temporary stuff in it now, but it's got the alcohol set up off the 496. And the headers are on it. How badass does that look? It's wild. Sitting very low though. Like that front's past full bump. No shocks are on it. It'll be up probably a good foot from where it's sitting now, easily. But still, it's gonna be wild. Man, talk about a tight fit. Big block inside of a stock Suzuki Samurai front. Doesn't leave a whole lot of room, but just enough. Man, that seat. It's only gonna be like barely space for a hand between the two seats. Hell yeah. Can't wait to see this thing back out. Should be pretty cool. It's been down for quite a while. 2016 maybe, I think, 2017. I think that was the last time it was out. Oh yeah, then hopefully someone we know ends up with Papa Chow. It'd be cool to see it stay around the group, or at least stay around locally, as that's still a cool truck and gets a lot of attention. I can't forget about mine. Any chance I get, I might as well throw it in the video. That'll be getting taken care of pretty much after Halloween. I'm busy as hell for the next 6 weeks, 5 weeks, something like that. Yep, 5 weeks. So once I'm done with all this video filming crap, be back into this thing. Shock hoops, random shit, full interior. There's a lot left. It's just barely even hardly a roller. But I'll get that guy finished up for it. Little 496, a little over 14-1, so should be enough to get it around. But yep, that's it. See you later.